Greetings and salutations. I am going to be assembling, as you can tell, 6 of these Transformer model kits at an accelerated pace. From your perspective, from mine, it's going to be, well, real time. So this is probably going to be, from the looks of it, a 29-year adventure. It will probably be like 3 hours for you, depending on what rate I'm going to be playing this back. So for the most part, I may or may not be putting voiceover on the front of it, or the tail end of it, or even in the middle. I don't know. I think I'm just going to have some music, some nice filler music, playing over the top of it as you watch or don't watch or whatever. Mostly this is for my, history. I just want to record me doing it. I'm not going to be making a thing out of it. I'm not trying to make money off of it. I've already made some little guys, and when I'm assembling them, I'll probably have the smaller little statues of Optimus Prime, Megatron, Bumblebee, and Soundwave sitting nearby so you can see those smaller model kits from Fascinations that I've put together. These guys are MU. They are way more detailed. They're going to be a little bit taller. And, I hope you enjoy the video. So we will be starting with, of course, Optimus Prime. And basically these things come in a nice little handy-dandy tray system, which is your metal sheets here, all cobbled together. A extremely thick instruction booklet. And in case you need them, little rubber finger gloves or balloons so you don't get your fingerprints all over your nice little metal statues. So this is going to be entertaining for me and something to do. So again, I hope you enjoy it. And on to the first build of Optimus Prime.